What's good, YouTube? Hold on, because I'm back. I'm not sick no more, and I'm dropping a purple brand vid for y'all whenever this drop. Probably, it's most likely going to drop today, but hold on. Y'all see the camera upgrade, though? Hold on. Y'all see the camera update? Hold on, we going on Moose Knuckle. Alright. Bro, I'm about to tell y'all how to buy y'all purple jeans properly. And I'm going to throw a little bit of extra stuff in the video. Because, you know, we got this little camp. Hold on. Y'all see all the shoot. Hold on. Yo, y'all see the balance? Oh, hold on, TP. Bro, hold on. Child. About to get right into this bed. Not gonna lie. I got some Taco Bell, too. Kind of feel weird holding this big camera now. Awesome Taco Bell. Good eats. So, my fault if I'm looking over there. I'm trying to see how this camera quality looking. And we got that light over there. I be using that for my clothing brand and stuff, but just a good lighting over here. Nah, this camera tough. Well, I'm not gonna lie. Can y'all even see behind me, or is it blurry? I'm just trying.
Mask on me. I feel so sedated when I'm on this guy's homie. Fucking on this place and bitch, she got some ass home.
Alright, y'all, we back with another vid. As y'all can see, new camera quality upgraded. We ain't on that other camera no more. Nah, but we won't even on that camera. I was fucking doing that stuff on my PC. But let me see. It is $319. Oh no, y'all can't see that. It's $319. I'm about to tell y'all how to buy the correct size for your purple jeans, cause a lot of y'all still DM me and y'all don't know how to like buy y'all purple jeans. And also, I'm gonna just tell y'all that later. So we're gonna get right on to the purple jeans site. I might show y'all, like, matter of fact, I'm gonna just show y'all what I'm talking about before I start explaining it, so y'all know what I'm talking about. So let me see, like, for instance, right here, like, bro, you see how this literally is almost the size of my wrist? My wrist is pretty small, so it's probably like the size of my index finger. Bro, this is how you want your jeans, because y'all keep asking me, how do you get them skinny? Some people ask me, how do you get them slim? If you want them slim, they'll probably literally just be about this much bigger. That's it. Purple, they kind of weird, so I understand why y'all don't be knowing. They kind of weird. They do run like skinny but slim, like a little baggy skinny. So when you buying your purples, especially when you go in the store, just look at this, because some places don't let you try them on. I don't know, that's mad weird. Like Nordstrom, when I went to Nordstrom, they don't let you try on the purples. But you just want to look at this. And then another thing you want to look at is up here. Like, this part really, I don't really know how to explain for real, but you just want to look like here, like across right here, because you don't want it to be this skinny at the bottom and then mad big up here. That's what be throwing y'all off, especially like Subi. I think it's the anti-kit ones. They're more baggy. So now that y'all know what y'all looking for in person, if they don't let y'all try it on, if they let y'all try it on, it should be easy to find y'all size. Also, I'm about to tell y'all this right now. If you are 5'9", 5'10", 5'11", and you weigh between 140 pounds, 130 pounds to 145 pounds, I'm gonna tell y'all this right now. Y'all size is a size 30 or 31. 30 for a skinny fit, 31 if you want it to fit skinny but a little slim. I'm gonna tell y'all that right now. 5'9" to 5'11". If you 6'6" and you weigh that weight, you gonna go 31, 32. Now, any height lower, 5'6", 5'5", 5'7", 5'8", and you weigh that same weight, you gonna be 30. You could finesse a 30. A 30 gonna be sturdy, but you're gonna be in 29 to 30. 29 is more gonna fit a little bit like a Miri, so y'all could do 29 or 30. Me personally, I recommend a 30 because I have tried a 29. I like the way a 29 fits, but only in PO1s. PO2s run skinnier. PO2s run a little skinnier than PO1. No, PO1s run skinnier than PO2. So PO2s I prefer a 29. PO1s I'm gonna get a 30. And somebody also asks, how do you, if you're like in middle school and you're like 5'1", 5'2", how do you get purple jeans? If you're like 5'1", 5'2", most of the time your weight is around like 110 to 120. So you could get a size 28, but I also still recommend getting a size 29, especially if you have big calves. If you have big calves, do not get a size 28. You're gonna struggle putting them jeans on, and your foot is gonna get stuck in them jeans trying to take them off. Like when I first bought my first ever pair of purples, bro, I made the dumbest mistake ever. I bought a size 28 because I thought they was gonna be like a little, I don't know what I was thinking. And at that time, I was probably like in 8th grade. So 8th grade, I graduated now. So 8th grade, I was probably like 5'6", and I bought a size 28. They did not fit. Y'all seen that other video, showed y'all the picture. It was literally like this on my legs, bro. They did not fit. Now we gonna hop onto the computer and I'm gonna show y'all what to look for when y'all buying y'all purple jeans. So if y'all have any questions, y'all already know where y'all could ding. Right here, my Instagram is right here. It's gonna be here the whole entire video because y'all be asking, oh, what's my Instagram? Oh, and y'all put the question in the comments. It be so much comments, so I be trying to reply to all of y'all. If y'all go look at the comments, I try to reply to all y'all. But if somebody has already replied and it makes sense, I'm not gonna reply. I always try to reply to all y'all. We're gonna get right on the computer right now, and I'm gonna show y'all what to look for when y'all ordering y'all purple jeans online. When you get on the site, find you PO1, some PO2s you want, for instance. So let's see. For instance, we're gonna take these PO1s. Cause a lot of y'all seem to not be able to find those indigo denims that I have. Those blue ones. These aren't them. Still tucking those. But as you can see what I was talking about when I showed y'all the bottom of the jean. Hold up, matter of fact. When I showed y'all the bottom of the jeans right here, y'all see how it looks right there. Y'all can easily see that. That's what you want to look at. And then you just want to literally go up on the jean and just see right here where my cursor thingy is. As long as this and this like up here are kind of similar in size, bro, just know you on the right path to get into purple jeans how you want to fit. Then you want to scroll down and look on the model. You can clearly see those are skinny. You can see those are skinny, bro. You can see that. It's no way you like, bro, are my jeans baggy? No, bro, they gonna come skinny, gang. Then you gonna see the back. Literally, look at the ankles. The ankles is gonna tell you everything you need to know. It's gonna tell you everything. Another question I have. When y'all see the purples don't have no tag in the picture, I'm gonna tell y'all this. Purples was not meant to have no tag. It was not meant to have no tag. All of the tags are supposed to come off, bro. We just put that in style, so that's just how it is. So you're not gonna see no tag. Same thing with Suvi, same thing with Amiri. But when you receive the jeans, they're gonna come with a tag. Everywhere where you buy purple is gonna come with a tag, except for like how do I put this, like eBay, I don't know. I don't know how to explain it really. Some places you won't have a tag, but a majority of places they're not gonna show the tag. Like big retails, they're not gonna show the tag, but the tag is gonna be on it when you come, both front and back tags. And there's also a tag inside if y'all didn't know. So now, for instance, I just showed y'all PO1s. I'm gonna show y'all PO2. And look, they got a fit guide. PO1 skinny fit. I've been trying to tell y'all this. Some of y'all in the comments on the last video was saying no, PO2 is skinny. Bro, I have a few purple jeans. I've been buying purple jeans since 8th grade. PO1 is skinny. PO2 is like, alright. So PO1, it's gonna show you the back. PO2 slim. PO2 is like the more skinnier, like the skinny baggy fit. Like people that like their jeans not too tight. And then PO4, this is the new one. That's the slim flare. So that's, if y'all like them flare jeans, this is the new flare jeans. When y'all like purple got flare jeans, this is the new one. They a little skinny. They kind of skinny, but they're flared at the bottom. If y'all slim straight, these is like the jeans. These is like school pants basically. If you buy PO5, PO11, also like school jeans. PO11 cargos. The PO11 cargos, I have heard that some of them you can get them a little skinny, but most of them run like a straight fit. And then the PO, whatever this is, PO15 Carhartt. If you ever had a pair of Carhartt jeans are baggy. They fit just like Carhartt. I was looking at these out of some purple brand store that they got in this mall. It's not really a purple brand store. They just got a whole bunch of designers. But these carpenter jeans fit just like Carhartt. And then PO18 is for y'all that like that Balenciaga Raver jeans stuff. That's where you will go. It's the end of the video. My Instagram is right here, I think. It's somewhere on the screen, bro. It should be at the bottom. My Instagram is there. Link in the description. I'm gonna also make a size chart with the weight and the height for y'all, because that's a lot of y'all issues. That's why some of y'all don't know how to buy y'all jeans. So I'm gonna make that. Any questions, DM me on Instagram. Size chart, DM me on Instagram. Purple jean sites, DM me on Instagram. Cheap purple jeans, DM me on Instagram. Purple jean sites where you could get them like in between, DM me on Instagram. I got all the purple jean sites, all the super sites, everything.